Hello again, my name's John, a retired cook from the northeast of England in the UK. And this video is a quick follow-up to my Scotch egg recipe. Now lots of people had asked in the comment section in that video if you can bake these instead of frying them, for a couple of reasons. One, as a healthier option, and two, to save on oil. And to be honest, I've never baked them, I've always fried them. So I thought I'd make this short demonstration on how I did it. And if you want to see the original video recipe on how to make the Scotch eggs, please see part 1 in the description box below this video. Your first job is to preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius, that's 395 Fahrenheit, or gas mark 6. Okay, this is the baking tray I'll be using, and to prevent the eggs sticking, which I think they will, I'll give this tray a squirt of low-calorie oil. Incidentally, this is the low-calorie oil I'll be using to coat one of the Scotch eggs in. And that one will be the healthy option. Next, I'll apply a piece of parchment or greaseproof paper to the baking tray, and for belt and braces, I'll give that a squirt of oil too. Right, for the first egg, I'll give it a coat of ordinary vegetable oil, and all I'll do is pour a little on my hands and gently rub it in. Or I should say pat it in. And for the second one, like I said earlier, I'll give it a few squirts of this low-calorie healthy option oil. And so I don't get mixed up, I'll tear a small corner off the parchment paper next to the vegetable oil one. Okay, the oven's up to temperature, so I'll get them in. I wasn't sure how long these would take at this temperature, so I'll start with 15 minutes and see what the colour is like at that point. And just as I thought, they're still a bit pasty looking, so I'll give them another 10 minutes and then check them again. Right, after that 10 minutes, they're definitely looking better, but still need another few minutes. I'll try another 5. And after that 5 minutes, they're looking much better. They're nice and crispy, and the colour isn't too bad, so I'm going to call these done. So to recap, at a temperature of 200 degrees Celsius, that's 395 Fahrenheit, or gas mark 6, these eggs took a total time of 30 minutes. And as you can see, without the support of the deep oil, the bottoms have flattened sitting on the tray. There's not much you can do about that. Right, I'll cut the vegetable oil one open first. It's nice and crispy, and the sausage meat is looking good and still moist. The egg yolk has gone a little hard, but that's inevitable with cooking for 30 minutes. The 1-calorie oil egg is exactly the same on the inside. It does feel a little bit drier, but to be honest, there's not much difference between the vegetable oil one and this one. In my humble opinion, I prefer the fried ones better. Simply because they're crispier, the egg yolk stays softer, and the colour's better. But on the other hand, my wife prefers these baked ones. Well, there you go for those who have asked. That's how you can bake these Scotch eggs, and I hope you found that useful. Don't forget, if you want a copy of my new recipe book, they're on sale now in the website shop, along with lots of other equipment I use in the videos. Well, thank you again for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe by hitting the circle above. If you do subscribe, activate the bell icon next to the subscribe button on my channel page. And by doing that, you'll be automatically notified every time I upload a new video. And in the meantime, here's a few of my other videos and playlists that you may want to watch. So, until the next time, be safe in the kitchen and bye for now.